Out of the 15 nations of the United Nations Security Council have rejected the United States' attempts to impose sanctions on Iran, saying that Washington cannot initiate such a move as it has already unilaterally walked out of the nuclear deal with Iran. Now, the United States' push for the restoration of the UN sanctions against Iran came even after the UNSC has rejected a similar move by the country last week, only that the United States and the Dominican Republic are backing for an arms embargo against Iran. Washington has said that sanctions should be reimposed against Iran as it has breached the 2015 nuclear deal. Now, the United States has even threatened snapback to force a return of UN sanctions against Iran. However, what is interesting is that the other signatories to the nuclear deal, including China, the United Kingdom, France, Russia and Germany, have said that the United States does not have the right to call for action against Tehran, as it was the United States that withdrew from the deal unilaterally and not Iran.
我们多次强调，美国单方面退出伊朗核问题全面协议，已经放弃作为全面协议参与国的权利，没有要求启动快速恢复制裁机制的资格。全面协议参与方和绝大多数安理会成员都认为美方要求不具任何法律基础，快速恢复机制并未启动。
The snapback refers to the contested argument that the US remains a participant in the nuclear deal despite Donald Trump's withdrawal from it, and therefore can force a return to the sanctions if it sees Iran as being in violation of its terms.